Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey everyone! Today, we're going to draw this cute horse step by step. So grab your black marker, a scale, and let's get started. First, I draw a big rectangle using the scale.
Yes!
Now, let's draw the horse's face and mouth shape. Then, I add the forehead, mane, and the ear. Next, I draw the mane flowing outside the body. After that, I start drawing the body shape and four legs of the horse. Once the legs are done, I draw the four hooves at the bottom. I draw eyebrows and two big eyes to make it look cute.
Yay!
Then I draw the tail, nice and curly. After that, I draw some grass under the horse.
Yeah.
To finish the scene, I draw two clouds at the top. Now, let's start coloring. First, I color the horse's body with a bright orange.
Yeah! Yes!
Then, I color the mane and tail yellow.
Yeah!
After that, I color the ground and grass green.
Yeah! Woo! Whoa! Wow! Whoa!
And finally, I fill the sky with a bright blue color.
Yes!
Yeah! Whee!
Yeah! Yoo-hoo! Yippee!
When the coloring is done, I use my black marker to redraw the outlines to make everything pop.
Wow!
Whoa.
And we're done!
Yay!
Look at this adorable horse! See you next time, bye-bye!